Hey guys, welcome to AAV and this is Vishnu. So this illustration is it limited manufactures a range of product which it sells through manufacturers agents to whom it pays a commission of 20% of the selling price of the product. Its budgeted profit and loss statement are particulars amount, sales 22,50,000, production cost, number one prime cost and overhead 7,87,500, fixed cost 3,62,500, which comes the total 11,50,000. Then we have the selling cost, commission to manufacturers agent 4,50,000, and then sales office fixed expense 20,000, the total 4,70,000. Therefore the total cost will be 16,20,000. So when we deduct 16,20,000 from 22 lakhs, we get at a net amount of 6,30,000. Then we have administration fixed cost rupees 3 lakh. Deducting administration fixed cost from the amount, we will get a profit of 3,30,000. Subsequent to the preparation of the above budgeted profit and loss statement, the company is faced with a demand from its agent for an increase in their commission to 22% of selling price. As a result, the company is considering whether it might achieve more favorable result. If it were to, this could it invoice are budgeted as follows: sales manager salary and expenses 75,000, salesman expenditure including traveling cost 20,000, sales office cost addition to present cost 50,000, interest and depreciation on sales department care 35,000. In addition to the above, it will be necessary to hire 4 salesmen at a salary of 40,000 per annum each, plus a commission of 5% on the selling sales, plus car allowance rupees 1 per kilometer to overall cost except interest and depreciation. Requirement number 1: what is the maximum average kilometer per annum that salesman could travel if the company is to achieve the same budgeted profit as it would have obtained by retaining the manufacturer's agents? Achieve the same budgeted profit as it would have obtained by retaining the manufacturer agents and granting them the increased commission they had requested. Assume that the sales in each case would be as budgeted. Requirement number 2: at what level of sales would the original budgeted profit be achieved if each salesman were to travel an average of 40,000 km per annum? Assume that all other assumptions inherent in the budget were maintained. Number 3: what is the maximum level of commission on sales that the company could afford to pay if it wished to achieve an 60% increase in the original budgeted profit and extended at 16% increase in sales at budgeted selling price and average at 16,000 km per annum to be traveled by each salesman? So in this illustration, some of the details of the company has been given, which is budgeted profit and other details. So for the first requirement is that what is the maximum average kilometer per annum that the salesman could travel if the company is to achieve the same budgeted profit. It would have been obtained by retaining the manufacturer agents and granting them to increase commission they have requested. Assume that the sales in each one would be as budgeted. So for that I have made a statement which contains particulars and amount column. The budgeted commission payable towards salesman. If the sales is 22,50,000, then it will be 22,50,000 multiplied by 22%, which gives 4,95,000 less other cost. So salesman salary and expenses 75,000, salesman expenses including traveling cost of rupees 20,000, sales office cost addition to the present which is 50,000, interest and depreciation on sales department of car is 35,000, then salary to salesperson which is 40,000 multiplied by 4% will give you 1,60,000, then commission of rupees 5% on 22,50,000 will give you 1,17,500. Therefore the total cost will be 4,52,500. The balance is provided for the fuel. So this amount is the amount which 42,500 should be provided for the petrol allowance, so the fuel allowance. Therefore the number of kilometers that the car would travel will be 42,500 divided by 4 will give you 10,625. Okay, so we have found out the maximum average kilometer per annum. So going ahead with the requirement 2, at what level of sales would the original budgeted profit be achieved if the salesman were to travel an average of 40,000 km per annum? Assume that all other assumptions interest budgeted are maintained. So here computation of required sales to earn for desired profit. Sales 22,50,000 less cost 7,87,500. The commission of 5% will give 11,02,500. Will give you the total cost of rupees 9 lakh. After deducting the variable cost, we will get the contribution of 13,50,000 less fixed costs. Fixed costs include production, sales, and administration, which will be 3,62,500, 20,000, and 3 lakh. Now, new selling expenses. Sales manager salary 75,000, salesman expenditure including traveling costs 20,000, sales office cost addition to present cost which is 50,000, interest and depreciation on sales department 35,000, and salary to salesperson that is 40,000 into 4 which gives you 6,000, and car allowance will be 14,000 into 4 will give the cost of rupees 15,600. Therefore the total cost will be 10,700, 78,500, 10,78,500. When we deduct the cost from when we deduct the fixed cost from the contribution, we will get the profit of rupees 2,71,500. PV ratio that is equal to contribution by sales. Therefore 13,500 divided by 22,50,000 will give the PV ratio of 60%. Required sales for desired profit, that is contribution divided by PV ratio, 1 lakh 10,78,500 plus 3,30,000 divided by 0.6 will give you 23,47,500. So going ahead with the third requirement, what is the maximum level of commission on sales that the company could offer to pay if it wished to achieve a 16% increase in original budgeted profit and expected a 60% increase in sales at a budgeted selling price and average of 16,000 km per annum to be treated by each salesman. So for that I have prepared a computation of maximum commission that the company would be able to pay for the increase in the quantum of sales. Sales would be 22,50,000 multiplied by 16%, that is 116 divided by 100 will give you 26,10,000. Less cost material will be 7,87,500 multiplied by 16% will give you 9,13,500. Then we have the contribution of 16,96,500 less fixed cost, that is 10,70,500 minus 56,000. So 56,000 amount shall be removed. So we'll get the amount of 10,27,500 and then add the fuel charges 60,000 into 4 which gives you 64,000 and the profit allotted will be 3,30,000 multiplied by 116 divided by 100 will give you 38,02,800. Therefore 40,69,300. Therefore the balance amount can be allotted for the commission. That is, the balance amount will be 2,27,200. So the percentage of commission on sales will be 2,27,200 divided by 26,10,000 into 100. This is 8.7%. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.